The adjective is a word that tells about a noun or a pronoun. Jane is a clever girl. Clever is an adjective and it tells about whom? It tells about Jane. If I say she is clever, also clever is an adjective that tells about she. So again, an adjective is a word that describes or tells about a noun or a pronoun. But if you want to use this adjective to compare between two or more than two, you will use a form. We name it comparative to compare between the two. Superlative if you want to compare between more than two. Let's understand more. The comparative is used if you want to compare between two. If you want to compare between two, you will use the comparative adjective. When you compare using a short adjective, we add er to the end of the adjective and then the word than. Look at this one who is tall and this one who is short. We have two. We want to compare between the two. We will say he is taller than the boy. He is taller than the boy. So, for the adjective tall, we add what? We added er, then than. Look at the two cars. We will say my car is cheap only, but if we want to compare, we will add er to the adjective and then than. My car is cheaper than yours. My car is cheaper than yours. But we have some steps to follow if we want to compare using an adjective. Number one, if the adjective is short and it ends in a vowel plus consonant. Like big, it's a short adjective and it ends in the vowel I, after it a consonant G. We will do what we want to add the er. We will double the last consonant. We will double the G. So big will be bigger. Hot, one vowel, one consonant. We will double the last consonant. Then add er. Hotter than. Thin, one vowel, I, one consonant, N. We will double the last consonant. Thinner. Then add er. Fat, vowel A, consonant T. We'll double the last consonant T. Then add er. Fat, fatter than. If the adjective ends with Y, before the Y consonant, Y will say goodbye and then bring I. So, if the adjective ends with Y, we change the Y into I, then add the er. Happy, happier. Funny, funnier. Easy, easier. And don't forget, if we compare between two, we add the er, then. But if you want to compare between more than two, like the three cars we have, yes, we will do what? We will use the superlative form. Superlative form of adjective, we form it by adding the before the adjective and the letters est to its end. Like fast, fast. We add what? The, then to the end of the adjective we add what? est. So it will be the red car is the fastest of all. It's the fastest one or the fastest one. Both are correct in the pronunciation, but we do what? We add the before the adjective, then est to its end to form the superlative form of the adjective. Dinosaur is the tallest. This one is the, then for the adjective we add what? est, tallest. Our steps also, if an adjective ends in a vowel plus consonant, and the adjective is short, we will double the last consonant before adding the est. So big will be the biggest. Yes. Why we doubled the G? Because it's one vowel, one consonant in a short adjective. Don't forget, short adjective ends with one vowel, one consonant. We will double before adding. Hot, vowel O, consonant T. Yes, short adjective. If we want to add AST, we will do what? Double the last T. Hottest. Thin, one vowel I, one vowel I, and consonant N. We will double what? The last consonant, which is N. Then it will be the thinnest. The thinnest. Fat. Fat. Vowel A, consonant T, short adjective. We will double the last consonant, then add AST. It will be the fattest. If the adjective ends with Y, before Y consonant, Y will say goodbye. And then bring the I, add EST. Happy will be the happiest. Funny, the funniest. Easy, the easiest. Let's look at this one. Short, shorter than, the shortest to form the superlative form. High, yes, it will be higher, the highest. Cold, colder, the coldest. Simple, but don't forget to add than when you are comparing between two. Now it's time for looking at page 77 in the book. Exercise A, say the superlative adjective. Let's remember, superlative adjective. We add the before it and then est. Yes, and don't forget, when the adjective is short, ends with one vowel, one consonant, we will do what? We will double the last consonant. So strong will be the strongest. Tall, the tallest. Why we don't double? Because the last letters are two consonants, not vowel consonant. Short, the shortest. High, the highest. Clean, the cleanest. You'll tell me, teacher, but there is one consonant, one vowel. No, we don't have only one vowel. Before the N, we have two vowels. So we will not double. Cold, the coldest. It ends with two consonants. Hot, oh, one what? One vowel, one consonant. Short adjective, so we'll do what? We'll double. Deep, oh, one consonant, but before it, don't forget, two vowels. No, we said only we double when it's short, and this, and one vowel, one consonant. So it will be the deepest without doubling. It's time for your booklet. Page 40, exercise 5, choose the correct answer. The tiger is, yes, search for the keyword. The password is then. When you see then, we have what? ER, so it will be bigger. My house is, we have the password, then it will be also what? Bigger. The line is, oh, we don't have then, and we don't compare between more than two, so it will be only big. The ant is a small if it's only, but we have then, the password then, so it will be smaller, ER. Complete the table with the correct answer, the adjective, and then comparative form. So we need to add what? ER. Superlative form, we need to add the, then the est. Old, older. Then the oldest. Young, younger. The youngest. No change. Happy, oh, we have Y. Change it into I. Happier. The superlative form, the happiest. Funny, Y. Funnier, change it into I. The funniest. Fat, short adjective. One vowel, one consonant at the end, we double the T. Good. Fatter, the fattest. Big, short adjective. One vowel, one consonant, double the last consonant. Bigger and the biggest. I hope it's easy. Don't forget, when you compare between two, you use the comparative form, which we add to its end, ER, and then. If you are comparing between three or more, you will use the superlative form, which we form by adding the before the adjective and so its end est. We double the last letter when we have a short adjective and this in I or any short vowel, only one vowel, then consonant. Like big, one vowel, one consonant, we will double the last consonant before adding ER or EST. Thanks for your listening.